Oh, two of those. They must be buddies. Girlfriend has an 1198 that looks just like my 848, but she never rides it. She's always on her 959. It would be more entertaining if Tracy would watch these videos and hear me talk about it. Buddy Roland, every time I roll up on a gold wing, I'll say, hey, there's Roland. And he'll text me, yeah, I watched your video. That wasn't me. I'm not from Minnesota. But he dresses like Minnesota when it's California. What's that song? You know what it is, I just reversed it. If you used to play the game Road Rash in the wintertime when you could ride a motorcycle, California, look at Minnesota. Minnesota sucks, doesn't it? I'm sorry if you have to live there with that fag Kim Walls. Who in their right mind would vote for that guy? Oh, my brother did. Stupid Democrats. That dude's going to outrun the Corvette Club. They're 3 miles ahead of me. He'll be on them before they get to the lake. Touch the mustard in a curve. This creek next to us, man, when they open the water up from the dam, it is some rapid water. It is. You would think those kayakers would be out there smiling. They have the look of agony on their face when they're getting beat up out there. They cut the grass here too this week. That's odd for North Carolina. Usually North Carolina cuts the grass right before a holiday weekend. That way all the grass is just built up and piled on the road. Turn left. Alright. Guess I'm just gonna follow you. I'm in a road. I'm flying. This road's going as fast as this crappy CVT transmission can pull it. Use the pull off. Use the pull off. Please 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 use the pull off. Ah, she was probably a college student. She's getting a degree in liberal arts and gender sciences. Because that's what employers want. Whoa! Whoa, that was stupid. I haven't done that in a minute. I apologize for that one. Dang, my hand cramped up. And I was more worried about my hand cramping up than a decreasing radius turn. That could have been bad if an oncoming car was coming. I've been sitting on this bike for 2 hours without a break, in case you guys are wondering. 2 hours is a long time for my old butt. It'll be 106 miles when I get to the Deals Gap store. I don't typically go 106 miles without a break. Unless I'm sitting on the interstate with cruise control. Oh, thank you. I don't know why you pulled off though. We're almost at the store.